High above the valley, in the heart of the Swiss Alps, in the canton of Valais, lies a place that feels imagined. Scattered boulders, left behind by a melting glacier, rest on a quiet Alpine plateau. Between them, twisted pines and wildflowers glowing in the grass. A small stream winds through this strange, peaceful land, sometimes whispering, sometimes rushing, as if composing music for the mountains. This is the Japanese garden, Jardin Japonais. It wasn't made by human hands, it was shaped by ice, stone, and time. And yet, it feels designed, as if a master gardener from Kyoto wandered into the Alps and created a landscape of silence and stone. The Plateau is a glacier moraine formed thousands of years ago. As the ice retreated and left behind water and rock, this natural garden sits at 2,400 meters above sea level. There are no houses here, no roads, no noise. Just pines, moss-covered stones, and sky. Every step becomes a kind of meditation. Every sound of nature, like a breath. People come here to leave the noise behind, to be alone with silence, to feel the rhythm of the mountains. Some sit by the water, reading a book. Others close their eyes, just listening to the wind. And some simply meditate on warm stones. Families bring children here, so they too can learn to feel the rhythm of nature, not from a screen, but by walking, watching, listening. Even in summer, patches of snow remain. The air smells of cold water, sun, and alpine pine. This is not just a place, it's a state of being. Maybe all we need is to stop for a moment and see that nature has already made everything for us.